Hey buddy, it's Mickey Dicey here, doing a quick unboxing before my girlfriend and my mom get here. So, I got Anker, excuse me. Top rated, best 6 million, best warranty. Keyboard for my tablet, my new iPad mini. And I also got a pack of 3 screen protectors. These guys right here. So I'm going to put that on there. But we're here to unbox this ultra compact keyboard, Bluetooth. So, let me push it out of here. Ooh. Yes, that's nice. Happy or not happy note, happy, not happy. It has information right here about it. You can contact them and stuff. Welcome guide, with all the information in it. Keyboard. This is what we came to see here. It's black. Ooh. Oh yeah. It types really well. Alright, so let me see. Hang on. Let me find something. With a battery in it. Duracell. No, it is a small battery. Yeah? Place that battery there. What the fuck? Wrong way. Oh yeah, because it's not regular size battery. Dude.
Yeah, regular size battery.
Oh, screw that. I apologize. I'll just keep it there and then I'll do the review later. Thanks for watching my videos. Peace.